Big problem. Big problem. Big problem.
El auténtico. Yeah.
Hey everyone, guys, girls, dudes, fellas, young and old. Welcome back to my channel. And as any 20-year-old car owner knows, there's never a dull day. So let's check out what's going on. Someone call a doctor. My car is bleeding out.
Why me?
And wait, hold on. Because things are about to go terribly wrong during this repair. Make sure to stay tuned throughout the video. All right, so we've got a coolant leak, and this is the quote the mechanic gave us. Can you believe that number? Total craziness, right? Well, time to roll up our sleeves. If we play detective, we can see that the left side is completely clean, while the right side is completely splattered near the top. That makes me suspect the leak is on that side. After taking a closer look, I managed to spot a tiny crack right on that hose leading to the expansion tank. When the car starts up, the heat and pressure build up and coolant starts spraying out of that crack like crazy. I mean, literally, in a 10 to 15 minute drive, it completely empties the reservoir. Total madness. So let's go find the parts and tools we need, add them to the cart, and hit buy. Whoa, that was fast! Well, we're about to prove that with a bit of enthusiasm, a couple of tools, and an angle grinder in hand. Ha 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 ha. Okay, the angle grinder is just my thing. You don't actually need that. We can save ourselves from getting ripped off. Let's get down to business and open some packages. I love
El
this part.
auténtico. Yeah. Ya tú sabes. Directo al bloque, sin intermediarios. ¡Sube! ¡Sube! El suelo me avisa, el charco en la acera. La máquina sufre, se acaba la espera. Mire el presupuesto, menudo sablazo. 270 me dejan sin brazo. Flecha roja al fallo, la grieta aparece. El circuito pierde, el motor se entristece. No paso por caja, que aquí mando yo. La radial corta el cartón, ya se terminó.
Yes, let's go. Yes. And remember, if you're enjoying the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my content. And drop a comment down below. Also, for anyone who owns the same car and wants to use the exact same parts I'm using in this video, I'll leave the purchase links down in the description. Quick tip. Remember that to find the exact right parts for your vehicle, you need to look for the OEM code. That's the standard coding system manufacturers use to categorize all replacement parts. It's not just a BMW thing. Every car maker like Ford, Toyota, Volkswagen, Renault, and so on assigns their own OEM numbers to the original parts they design. So now you know. Always double-check the part number to be 100% sure. With that said, here's the summary of everything I bought. The total spent was €46.23, saving a whopping €232.07. Not bad at all, huh? All right then, let's head over to the car. It's about time. We've got everything ready, so let's get hands-on. Enough with the technical talk time for some action. Let's go. Hood open, let's get to work. Complaining won't fix the leak. In theory, it's pretty simple. I'll point out what needs to come off using the screwdriver here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we need to remove, and we'll start over here on the left side, which is the easiest part. First, we pop up that little retaining clip. There it goes. Let me do it again so you can see it clearly. Perfect. Now, we carefully pull the hose off. There we go, a bit firm. In my case, it came off easier because I had already loosened it before, but if it's your first time, you'll need to pull pretty hard.
Now I'm going to spray a little WD-40 on it. And a little bit more on those clips so they slide off easier. And most importantly, not because of the old hose, I don't care about that, but to make sure we don't snap the clips. Whoa, it snapped! See what I was telling you? At the end of the day, it's an old hose that's endured years of extreme heat and high pressure, so it broke. But anyway, it doesn't matter, because that hose is going straight to the trash. What really matters, like I said, is that we kept the clip intact, which we did. The hose broke, but no big deal. You might also notice I covered the air filter box with a yellow microfiber towel. That's because we just put in a brand new filter, and I don't want any dirt getting inside, okay? Now let's see if the clamp is stuck tight. Let's try to remove it, and if not, we'll just cut it off. Let's see if it moves a bit. Uh-oh. Wait, let me grab the screwdriver. Let me check. Let me look closely. And man, I really, really don't like that crack sound I just heard.
No. 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 No.
Oh, man. The nipple broke off. You've got to be kidding me. Ugh. Well, now we're in real trouble. Look inside the hose, see that? It was completely dry rotted. Just by wiggling it slightly, it cracked and snapped off. What a disaster. And what just happened changes absolutely everything. The original shop quote, our total budget, the timeline, everything completely changes now. Well, now what? What do we do now? Now we have to order the broken part, wait for it to arrive, and see if we can actually fix this ourselves, or if we're going to have to call a tow truck instead. So don't miss the next video. And since I think that's enough drama for today, I'm going to kick back, listen to some good music, and enjoy a cold drink.
The hard part's done. Cool glass, setting sun. A tired kind of peaceful. Best reward I've won.
And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, if it made you laugh, or if it simply helped you avoid messing up your own car, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, it costs nothing, and helps me out immensely to keep creating tutorials, tips, and fun content. Big hug to everyone. See you soon.
Mundo ASM and Rupture. Watch us blow the map. Rupture. Word.